astonish. On earth, but me never plan it. So anywhere me step is atomic.
Cottage, Pen, Moran, Bay, we're there for one of them young stars right now. Di-Ruption, what going on, family?
Since enough family, my respect, man. Thanks for having me in a real time.
First of all, Di-Ruption, 3 words to describe your style for those who might not be, you don't know, familiar.
Alright, Di-Ruption now, the word Di-Ruption alone, meaning that name alone, your diversity. My grandmother always tell me say the word Di-Ruption I mean that good in a real time. The word Di-Ruption come out the reverse of always positive mentality. And do music now in a real time now to change people's lives. So that we go forward with right now.
Yeah.
So that alone define Di-Ruption in a sense where music I'm put out right now to change lives overall. Life's so rough in one favorite. You take on the street, you can't afraid of it.
Talk to me about your musical journey.
Alright, so the journey since 2014 we start music officially.
Yeah.
Elite generation. We got the team in a real time. From Elite start, they're at Elite in a real time. And if you know the definition of the word elite overall, so you just know so what's a musical genius in a real life. So to see where I fought from nothing I reach the level where they're right now. And to give thanks in a real life because enough people in the music will never see nothing at all in a real life. So me there so from 2014 I have to give thanks, I gain fans and see intense right on my foot right now in a real life.
Right now, we drive for about over an hour to find a place right now. So I know say I know a whole heap of people, and a whole heap of producer, and even as a label, you know do the label thing as well. So I know say every artist I got willing to even make certain track or certain form way. How difficult has it been operating and trying to build a buzz outside of Kingston, you know, so far from the Mecca?
Yo, that part, they're one of the hardest part in real life. I'm not gonna blow in and tell them no lie. Where even transportation is concerned, because most times we're touching at the town and you don't know, so town overall, I'm gonna say a town at the place of the where music is concerned. So most time we're there in our town, and we're there at town for hours. Most time we don't want to come home back, but I find back yard scene and find back town the other day.
Yeah.
So just to transport from town to come back, we are eat and if we go back at town the next day.
Yeah.
Kind of rough.
Talk to me about even your educational background.
Alright, so I used to go to Mark Bay High School. I graduated from Mark Bay High School. And before Mark Bay High School, I start music. I used to go Paradise School. That's where I start my musical journey. Never know I really had it till I reach church. I start singing for the choir and then the church people them normally squeeze me and tell me something for continue to sing.
Yeah.
So even in that aspect in the background of how me grow and the love that me get from everybody around me in a real time. I couldn't preach nothing more than love. So that's the aspect of how my music even come forward to. So that's why you're not gonna hear me I say, oh, I go up my head around there so. And my granny tell me say.
Look like your granny grow your good.
Yeah man, I love my granny in a real time man.
True, but so you say the badness part of the music and your one.
No, not really my part in that. The versatility there, you know, so
yeah.
At the end of the day, you know, but I feel like, but in the aspect, I just love and love alone to preach, right through.
That's okay. You feel like it's more difficult for artists like you where I say love more than fear stress on the negative side.
But in a real time, Sanjay, me and you know the negative spread faster. So where positive music is concerned, still have to fit in the mix in a real life because life have a balance, you know. Mm-hmm. So yeah, you can't listen negative all days of your life, you know. So you're gonna need a time where you need a different kind of meditation overall. From me born, my mother parent. Me daddy says son focus make pavement. For never for patience. But then now, that's when me start by one lock and two steel. Come on, one know my one feel.
Yeah.
And that's why I'm even do music now. Not even for sense what I go on and everything. I just maybe for the generation for forward. I have to change people's lives overall and how them think. You get me, sir?
And as a positive light yourself and a beacon for positivity, who are some of the influences musically on you?
And you know, sir, I grew up listening to one of my favorite artists, Barrington Levy.
Alright.
Yeah, man. As in, Barrington Levy. Yeah, man, Barrington Levy with the unique voice, man.
Yeah, man.
So I grew up in a household where them kind of positive music that I grew up on in a real time.
Yeah.
And then, in my era now, you don't know, Vibes Cartel, I don't know, Popcorn, my brother, because Poppy, my brother in a real time. and a lot more. So it is not, if me start call all I names, I'm not gonna stop.
What you promote right now?
So we just drop a song the other day where versatility is concerned. But for now, me have songs where me gonna drop. Right now, we have people are going to open them eyes to a different level.
I know you have a bag of songs, you know, because I tell you, give me one CD with about 20 songs, you know, and that's years ago, you know, so
yeah.
I know so you have a bag of songs, but I want to know which one are this song where you say, yo, this song where I run with right now, you know.
I chant and I say me get one of deep meds are deep meds. My mom used to thief no for ranges and beat fence. Over Jilly, I'm a friend, some of the see fence. Or some of my dogs them around me have them defense. Me grew up rough, I don't know them thing. Hey Sanjay, man used to bleach at night time. I pray to the knee, but beside me hard. No call 119, man I forgive. Praise. Jaja never left me out. And Jaja never left me out.
If anybody say a song like somebody, I lie them at unique voice, unique
song, blessings,
unique
man, I appreciate it. Man.
Last thing on Di-Ruption, I want to tell you what most makes Di-Ruption and elite music intense.
Di-Ruption, I make Di-Ruption music intense in real life, and what Di-Ruption intense in real life. The uniqueness of the voice and the message that Di-Ruption bring forward in real life. You get me, I say so. Di-Ruption always going to be intense. Di-Ruption intense. Di-Ruption of tricky kings. You have dreams too. You will see it. Them not see it too. So we've been walking so long. Foot them firm still so strong. See protective just like Trojan. Much than in the slogan. Man want to a place like Malawaki. So don't fret when you see the car key. First you stop when you see the front teeth. Di-Ruption.